How can I obtain a CRN number for my product?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through the process of obtaining a Canadian registration number or CRN for your product. CRN is required for pressure equipment, boilers, and fittings that are used in Canada. It's important to ensure your products are in compliance with the legal requirements, which is why we're here today.
What is a CRN number?
A CRN, or Canadian Registration Number, is a number issued by each province or territory of Canada to the design of a boiler, pressure vessel, or fitting. The CRN identifies the design has been accepted and registered for use in that province or territory.
Who needs a CRN number?
If you manufacture, import, or sell boilers, pressure vessels, or fittings in Canada, then you will need a CRN. It's a requirement under the Canadian Standards Association's B51 Boiler, Pressure Vessel, and Pressure Piping Code. Failure to register your product may result in penalties.
How to obtain a CRN number?
1. Develop a detailed design. You need to prepare a detailed design of your product, including materials, fabrication processes, and pressure ratings. Your design should comply with the accepted standards, such as those established by the ASME. 2. Prepare application. The next step is to prepare an application for submission. This includes a detailed description of the product, the design calculations, and the drawings. 3. Submit the application. Once your application is ready, submit it to the first jurisdiction of use. 4. Await assessment. After submitting, your application will be assessed by the jurisdiction's safety authority. They will evaluate your design and either accept it or ask for more information. 5. Receive CRN. Once your design is approved, you'll receive a CRN. This is usually a single letter, indicating the province or territory where the design was first registered, followed by a period and a sequence of numbers.
What if I want to sell in multiple provinces or territories?
If you're planning to sell in multiple provinces or territories, you'll need to have your CRN recognized by each jurisdiction. You can do this by submitting your CRN and design documentation to each jurisdiction's safety authority. Each province or territory has its own process and fees, so be sure to check their individual requirements. That's a wrap on obtaining a CRN number for your product. I hope this information helps you navigate the process. Remember, ensuring your product is registered and meets the necessary standards is essential for legal operation in Canada. Good luck, and happy registering!